Alrighty, here's my tutorial. So today we're going to learn how to make roofs on houses with one end of the roof being higher up than the other end. This is helpful if you want to have like a first floor here, like a second floor right here, but not a second floor here. So you put like a roof right here and then you go down. And so that's kind of what we're going to focus on today, because I know there's been some questions about how to do that. So we're going to start by going to the floor plan and putting a roof on it. Yeah, save it. Okay. Yeah, save that. Sounds good. Okay. And let's do the select walls, pick walls. Overhang about a foot seems about good. So it's gonna start by doing that, easy enough. Then we're gonna select the ones we don't want to have slope on it. This thing here defines like where the slopes to, you know. So we just want to slope it here and here, and you'll see it more when we get into 3D. And then click yes. That just brings the walls up to the roof. See how we have it here now? See how it's even from here to here? And that's not what we want. We want it even here to here. And so the best way I've found to do this is if we go to the front view here, get a dimension line, so I just click DL and find this point here, and we can annotate it and measure from the ground here, just to see how tall we want to make it. And this can be different. Just we can have datums attached to this, and we can orient the roof in different ways. And I can show you a little bit more of that later in a different tutorial. Okay, so we got 21 feet 3 inches. This is 10 feet here, so from this line to this line, I guess is where we should have measured from. Okay, let me just do that. Look another one, just so you can see it. From this line to this line, 11 inches 3. Okay, yeah, 11 foot 3 inches. So what we're gonna do now, we are going to select this roof here. Let's go back to the floor plan, and we're going to take this wall and we're going to raise this plane offset from base. Our base is at 10 foot, so we're going to raise it 11 feet 3 inches. And we should be good to go for the green check, and let's see how it looks. Aha, perfect. See, now we have our first floor here, and second floor here. And again, this will be different if you want to change the slope of it. It'll affect how high it is here to here. But as you can see here, we got a nice, let me go back to the elevation. We got a nice even view. Bam. Haha. So that is the tutorial for today.